US versus UK snack wars. Let's start off with the US. Boom. This is unreal. Let's see how unreal it truly is. Oh, it's dark chocolate. I'm not a fan already. What though? Oh, it's got coconut in it. Oh, I hate coconut. Oh, that is horrible. Oh, I'm giving that a 1 out of 10.
Is that only because of the coconut?
Well, yes, and it tastes bad. It's dark chocolate and coconut. Awful. All right, UK. Oh, for God's sake, Bounty, great. All right, let's do this. All right, well, at least it's milk chocolate, so it's got an extra point because of that. Oh, horrible. I'll give that a 2 just because of the milk chocolate. All right, UK, US. Oh, okay. We have Hobnobs from the UK and Chip Ahoy's from the US. Packaging, I think the US is smashing it because it's a bit more eye-catching. This one, I don't know, is a bit more chill. All right, let me start off with Hobnobs. This is the OT1 milk chocolate. It's like oh, okay. It's like a biscuit. Oh, wow. So it's got a lovely milk chocolate texture and taste. Feels like it's got like oats inside. It's so it's slightly chewy, but a nice crunch. It's like a biscuit. It's nice. I like it. Okay, Chips Ahoy packaging is very good. Oh, you could. Now that is satisfying. I didn't know you could do that. All right, it's got extra points because of that. That is a very good invention. Okay. Ooh, it's like a cookie. It's got little chocolate bits inside. Oh, it's soft. It's like melting in my mouth. Soft and chewy. It feels like childhood. I don't know why. It's just so gooey and happy place. Wow. All right, well, I think Chips Ahoy wins. I mean, this is nice. It's just, packaging isn't as great. And, taste-wise, just a bit lower than this. Because this is incredible. I feel like I could destroy all of these. So, I'm not. At 10, I'll give this a 6, and I'll give this an 8. Nice. Right now it's 1-1. Let's have US. Okay, and let's have the UK. Oh, all right, we have Cheez-It and mini cheddars. I've had these quite a few times. Bangers. I don't think I've had these. Okay, we'll start off with the US. This is a really interesting packaging. It's like a cereal. Like, it literally looks like a cereal box, but it's not cereal. Like, this would be horrible. This would be disgusting with milk. I can just imagine it. There's you get quite a lot as well. 75% more. Bro, this is huge compared to this. Look at that, bro. America, you know what I mean? All right. Cheesy. Easy to eat. A hint of salt. Crispy. Yeah, it just tastes like a cheesy biscuit. It's nice. I actually really like that. I feel like, without realizing, I could just keep eating that and get fat. All right. Mini cheddars. Oh, what do we have here? All right, let me describe the packaging. I mean, it's kind of meh compared to the American one. Let's be honest. This isn't given cereal box, but I guess there's less of it, so it won't be as bad for you. Anyway, let's. Okay, it's similar, but it's not as cheesy. This is really cheesy. Like the faintest of salt on it. I mean, this feels like a healthier version of this. So if you want that, then I'd say mini cheddars. If you want to just get fat as fuck, this is a 1, baby. Which one do I think is better? I mean, taste-wise and look-wise, gotta give it to the Americans. All right, out of 10, I'll probably give this 5. It's just standard. This, I'm gonna give it a 7. I feel like I could really go to town with these, so stay away. Next. All right, 2-1 US. Give me another UK. Oh, and the US. Okay. Swedish fish. Interesting. And Percy Pigs. You can only get these in M&S, but oh, these are bangers. I will start with these, man. I mean, it's gonna be hard to beat Percy Pigs. So like with what I do, I kind of rip the ears off and then I eat the middle. I'm like, that's great. And then these are like an extra surprise after. Yay me. In terms of packaging, I mean, it's lovely. It's fantastic, it's cute, and it just makes me happy. I look at it and I go, wow, yay. In terms of taste, it's sweet, obviously. It's not too sickly, it's not too sweet, and it's just great. It's just great. You have to try it if you've never tried it before. Okay. I've never tried this before. Swedish fish. Yeah, I don't know why. Why is it Swedish? Okay, it smells like your typical American sweet, just full of random chemicals, random ingredients, random colorings. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Oh, wait a minute. Why do I like these? Oh no, I was so ready to destroy this. I really like this. It's different. It's definitely sweeter, but how can I describe it? It reminds me of the cherries from Haribo's, but a little bit more sweeter. I feel like these could get a little sickly though. Obviously you get way more from this than this. Like a lot more. Ooh, what am I gonna rate? I do like the packaging of this. It's bold, it's Swedish, it's fish for some reason. But then you could argue this is pig. So.
Think about the lovely surprise you get at the end with that.
Yeah, that's there. I'm gonna give this an 8, and I'm gonna give this a 7. Close, but I mean the extra surprise from Percy Pigs. You just can't beat it. All right, looks 2-2. It is heating up this battle. We'll start with the UK. Oh, Dairy Milk Buttons. This is gonna be hard to beat. US. Oh, we have Dove. Okay. We'll start off with Dove. I know how that tastes. Okay. Very slick, a very slick packaging. Looks cool. It's close to the word love, so maybe it might love my tongue, love my taste buds. It's definitely chocolate. Okay, Dove, here we go. Pure chocolate. Well, that's interesting. Tastes like a twirl. The thing is, with American chocolate, I always thought it was awful. I remember I had a Hershey's and I hated it. But I don't know if they've changed like the ingredients or anything. Like, it was actually pretty nice. Like, really nice, okay? Chocolate buttons. Let me remind myself. Oh, well, smell alone might have been that. I mean, typical purple. We know what we get from Cadbury's. They always do it well. They always do it slick. Oh, let me get a whole button. Okay. Dairy Milk buttons. Fuck, man! I'm giving these a 9. I'm giving you a 7. You just can't compete, I'm sorry. Yeah, bro, this blows this out of the water. UK for the win, 3-2. Okay, UK please. Monster Munch, US. Okay, we got Funyuns. Is that Funyuns? Is that how you say it? Or Funny Yuns? Funny Yuns. Funyuns. Funyuns. Okay. Because they're called Funyuns because they look like onions. well, they look like onion rings, not onions. Okay, packaging, it's yellow and green, and it shows you what you're eating. Cool. All right. Oh, okay, smells interesting. These taste like Quavers. These are literally Quavers. Quavers, but maybe a little less cheesy. Crunchy, slight bit of salt. I don't know, it doesn't really taste like onions. I don't know, I don't really like eat onions raw. Maybe, I don't know.
The biggest thing is fun.
Am I having fun while eating this? I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it. Now let's see how much fun I can have. So much fun. Okay. I actually like that. Stop, you're gonna make me spit everywhere. It's good, yeah, all right. Monster Munch, I mean pickled onion. I actually despise pickled onions. But as a crisp, especially Monster Munch, it's just so good. Smells fantastic. Oh my. Bro, if I could fuck a crisp, I would. I would fuck this raw. I would bend this over and just do dirty things to it because it is just. I just adore this. It's just so, but I could literally scran this. I could eat this all day. You don't understand. If you're an American and you've never tried this, this is one of the greatest things that England have ever made. Oh my God. You should have this with chocolate. It just elevates the chocolate.
You want some chocolate, bro?
Okay. Whoa, who are you? I'm giving this a 10. I'm giving this a 6. Can't compete. UK again, 4-2. What's the next item?
Well, what's the combination you like with these?
Well, I mean, if we can get chocolate after this, so I can combine it, that would be great. Bounty, huh? You want to give me a fucking bounty to combine with that? Brother, how do we not?
Next one.
Give me a chocolate. There we go. Oh! Rolos? What, with Monster Munch? Am I a psycho? Am I an idiot? Like, no. Give me a... Bro, this has also got caramel in it. Give me a normal chocolate.
Try it. Maybe you like it.
Where's the buttons?
Try that. You like it, bro.
Fuck. All right, well, Rolo, UK, obviously, we know how this works. It's got caramel inside. It's made of chocolate. Bro. Stop. Just fucking stop. You've had enough today. Okay. Wow, it's been a while since I've had this. Oh. Oh. Rolos. Bro, these are, I feel like these sweets are old AF. Yeah. Chocolate all around with caramel inside. It's sweet. It can get a bit too sickly after if you have too many. I like it. Plus, you can use this to roll your weed as well. Yeah, just rolling that shit, bro. You just gotta roll it, bro. Yeah. You know what I mean? Roll that shit. I mean, we in LA, you know what they say. Shit, baby. Oh, we having fun now. All right, anyway. Milk Duds. American candy made with chocolate and caramel. Aw. 30% less fat. Well, how much fat is there in general? Oh, okay. Total fat, 5 grams. 5 grams of fat per 30 gram serving. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's still a lot of fat in there. Okay. Oh, it looks like a minstrel. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's very chewy. This is a lot more soft. Oh. Hey, yo, America's cooked. That ain't it. No. I'm giving that 2. I'm giving this a 5. Because I'm not really a fan of chocolate and caramel. But that is awful. All right. What's it? 5-2? 5-2. Well, America could still make a comeback. Let's see. Next, please, we'll start with you. What the, bro? I didn't say anything. Fuck, bro, what's going on? It's a mess. People just throwing food at me. All right, we got M&S, outrageously chocolatey, white chocolate coated custard creams. I've never had this, but holy shit, this is a lot. And then, oh my God. Golden Oreos. I thought this was a myth. I thought this was a legend. Do you know how incredible these are? I've heard so many good things. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna save this. Leave that last. Let me start with this. Okay. Packaging, it's yellow. That's about it. It kind of looks like someone yeah, but look, we'll try it. Okay, well, they're all stuck together. I mean, it is hot in LA, so.
Did it break you with your forehead?
Just stop. Break it with my forehead.
Channel the forehead power.
Shut up. Wait, let me try it. Smell, ooh, smells white chocolatey. Shock. I don't like it. I don't like it. I think it's too much. There's just too much going on. There's too much white chocolate.
Do you want to cleanse your mouth?
Cleanse my mouth with what?
A drink?
Oh my God. Fucking. What's the UK version of this? Ah, Prime. Love it. Well, technically this version's banned in the UK, but I still drink it because it's got a lot of MG and I love my MG. I love caffeine. I'm obsessed. If I could put caffeine up my bum, I would.
It's actually a thing. We can make that happen.
Wait, no, okay, wait, let's not make that happen just yet. First time trying Celsius, obviously associated with Jake Paul, so I already fucking despise it, but I'll give it a fair chance. It's got a weird aftertaste. Tastes like the aftertaste tastes like oil. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, initially it's quite nice, orangey. It's got a little fizz, but that aftertaste is a bit, yeah. Out of 10, I'll give it a 6. I'll give it a 6. Prime, first time trying this. I mean, the packaging, wow, that is to die for, isn't it? That is beautiful. Red, white, and blue. That could be what, France or America or England. Oh, I wonder who made that. Who made the design? It's just, oh, whoever did. Incredible. Oh, it smells great. Now fuck that off. This is a fucking drink. Oh! Yeah. Yeah, this is good. All right, now that my palate is cleansed. Oh yeah, 10, obviously. Golden Oreos. I can't wait. Slit appears when opened. Oh, don't talk dirty to me. How do I open it? Let me in! Oh. Oh. There it is. Wow. Let's have a look. Holy shit. Golden Oreo. Oh, biscuit smells lovely. All right, well, this is how you're meant to eat an Oreo. Obviously, take it apart. Eat the inside first. Mmm. 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 That is lovely. That white filling was great. Pause. 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 All right, put them together. Chad! Come try it, bro. I know you want to try it. I know you're looking at it. Do it. No, don't run away. You like? What does it remind you of? Pussy? Ten. All right. Hey. Yeah, these are awful. UK, please. Oh, Milky Bar. What is gonna go up against this? What the fuck is this? Oh, Hershey's. I thought it was gonna be Feastables. I was like, oh, yay. All right, we'll start off with Hershey's. Oh, okay. Looks interesting. It looks like diarrhea mixed with cum. So, can't wait. Okay. Let's have one bar. It started off so well, and then it just started sliding down that hill. Oh my God, that is sad. I feel sorry for Americans that they have to eat that. This is your equivalent of this. I feel for you. Like that's a shame. Fuck, man. Imagine growing up on that. That is, nah, man. Now we got dairy milk. Dairy milk. What? We've got Milky Bar. It's very white chocolatey. It's like the opposite of this. Started off like, wait, what? And then just got better and better. I guess it's kind of like an ugly duckling. You're there like, you're disgusting. What are you? And then grows up into a beautiful swan and you're like, yeah, you fire. I would. Obviously not a swan, like, oh. Anyway, we'll give this an 8. We'll give this a fucking 1. I think it's cooked for America. Yeah, I don't think America can bring it back. But bonus round, this is worth 10 points. UK? Oh, Tanfastics. What is coming up? I don't think anything can beat this. Oh. Oh, we have a worthy challenger. Sour Patch Kids. Wow, okay. We'll start off with Haribo's. The thing is with Haribo's or Tanfastics, there's like good ones and there's bad ones. So for example, the cola bottle, I hate it. The dummy, it's okay. The cherry, but the crocodiles with the white backs, get inside me, dirty. So you know what, that might affect the rating because I like, what, maybe 2 out of the 4 or 5 sweets in here. Interesting. Here we go, Sour Patch. Finally got inside. Finally got inside the kids, yeah? Oh my God, no. Just stop. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, she's sour. Oh, it's ever woken me up. Wow. Okay, I'm trying to think of what sweet it tastes like in the UK. I don't think there is any actually. What would you say it tastes like in the UK?
Nico's shapes are sour.
No. Washing up liquid. You think these taste like washing up liquid?
I think the blue raspberry. They're fire. These are
What, blue raspberry you think are the best ones?
different texture.
What is blue raspberry? That's, I mean, yeah, I know with Prime we made blue raspberry, but it's not even a thing. It's nice. You're just gonna eat? You're not even gonna talk?
I like they get stuck in.
Brother, Bo just came in to try it and then left. No, okay. I'm gonna give it to America. What are you doing? I didn't say you could have this one. You're not saying anything as well? Bro, you're just eating all the fucking golden Oreos. How much is left? Yo! Bro! Look how much he's eating. He's almost eating a whole row. All right, guys. All right, well, look, we'll give it to America, which means America have won the whole thing. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please unsubscribe. I'm trying to get to under 500 subscribers. Why are you feeding me? What is...
I feel fit.
We'll see you in a bit. Take care and peace.